As soon as you hear the name prediction files, you get so excited. सबको लगता है कि prediction मिल जाएगा तो एकदम पास कर जाएंगे. But what is the real majra here? What is actually happening? How do we use the prediction file? How much percentage we get in the exam? Do we actually get the questions from the files in the exam? All sort of those questions I am going to answer in this particular video. So hang on till the end with your host Anurag from Edutrainex PTE, and we will be covering every single detail how you can maximize your performance in the exam using the prediction files and all such things and rumors. Everything will be covered, so make sure you like and subscribe and watch this video right till the end. So let's start with the basics. What is the prediction file and how can we use it? So prediction files is a collection of questions. Okay, some of the websites, they offer it on their portal where you can practice each of the questions one by one, or some people or some companies like us, we offer it as a collection where you get all the important modules, which are all the latest exam questions that are collected from the PT exam from various sources. We can't disclose that. And then we also look for the questions that have been repeating most number of times throughout the months, and we collect a monthly file. And that's why we publish it on a monthly basis, because it is mostly used by the people when they are going towards the exam. Going through each of the question one by one on the portal is not very feasible, not very effective or efficient. It takes a lot of time to go through each of the questions, right? So that's why we publish the file, and many other companies also do. They give you the questions on a monthly basis, and what do you do from these? What modules are covered in that? Let's talk about it next. So if you look at this prediction file that we publish, all the important modules which contribute a lot to your exam are covered. From the speaking section, you have all of them. Read aloud, repeat sentence, describe image, retell lecture, answer short question. Everything is covered. From writing, again, all the modules, summarize written text and essays are also there. From reading, the three important modules, reorder paragraph and both the fill in the blanks questions, they will be there. And you see the number of questions, there are huge number of questions every month, real exam questions. And from the listening, again, the most important ones, summarize spoken text, write from dictation, and listening fill in the blanks. Okay, so this is where you get the collection of all the important modules. Just count how many are there: 5, 7, 10, 13 out of 20. The remaining modules like multiple choice questions from the reading section or the listening section are not important, because you're just getting one question in the exam, hardly any points, 1 point from each of the question. So that's why we focus our attention in gathering these type of questions that maximize your scores in the exam. So how do we actually use it, and does this question actually come in the exam? Let's look at some of the comments that we have extracted from our YouTube channel and also from our students. So you can see, does it work in the exam? As you can see, this was taken 2 months ago. Today we'll be discussing this sort of questions was in the exam today. And then these are very recent, 8 days ago and 3 days ago. You can see the number 3 I got in my PT core exam as well. So that is also one thing I wanted to cover. These modules over here that you see, essays and retell lecture, if you take out of the equation for PT core exam, the remaining question can also appear for your core exam. So yes, it appears in both the exams. Same pool of questions are being given to you. Most of the people in the PT core exam, they do get simpler questions, easier questions comparatively. And the first reading and fill in the blanks that I also use in my videos, some people get in the exam. So August, September, July, October, many people are getting the questions in the exam. So yes, it does come in the exam, but as I said before, it depends on the luck. You should not start relying on them. Okay, don't think that I only practice the prediction file and once I go to the exam, then I will clear the exam, I'll get 79. That's not going to happen. Okay, so I will also be covering the rumor part. Actually, are the people creating rumors about prediction file, or how much are you getting? But yes, this is a good thing to do in your preparation. All of my students are doing it who have access to the unlimited prediction files on our portal when they join live classes with us. Or you can buy the packages. Different packages will have different number of prediction files for you. Okay, so what exactly do we use for? And that is the main idea. What do we use it for? Just ratta maro the questions and get in the exam, right? That's what you are thinking. That's what we use it for. Just remember the questions and the answers and you will get the marks in the exam. Somehow I need the tricks to pass the exam. That's what you guys think. Many of you think, not all of you. Sorry about that. So yes, that's the mentality I want to challenge here. That's the mentality. I want to give a clear picture to you what exactly you can use the prediction files for. And as you might have seen my series or the monthly spellings video, vocabulary video, we do a research of not only this particular month of questions, but also the previous month of questions. Find the words, find the spellings for you which are repeating. So maybe the question may get repeated or not. Maybe you get the same question in the exam or not. But if you are thorough with the word, their spellings, then we have seen more number of words getting repeated, especially in the listening fill in the blanks for spellings, which is where you make mistakes. If you don't get the correct spelling, you don't get the points. Okay, so that is the number one thing that you have to focus. The next thing, people often are puzzled. How exactly do we improve our vocabulary? As everyone tells you, all the good YouTube creators tell you that you need to understand or you need to develop an understanding of vocabulary. How do you do that? Can't happen overnight. Can't improve from 2 to 5 to 5 out of 5 overnight. Utterly impossible. So, prediction file again comes to your rescue, and where our students have been using this strategy very successfully. They used to extract all the words from the prediction files from the last 6 months. Not just the answers, the options as well. And they get thorough with those kind of words. And as I told you before, the words do get repeated more often than the questions itself. So if I see a word distinguished, I know the meaning of distinguished. Wherever I see, I will know what to do with those words. That is the number one technique. I'll show you a scorecard from a student, and she was able to jump at least 10 points in reading in 1 month with this particular preparation. So that's what she used effectively. The vocabularies, the spellings, and also practice the questions, the real exam questions. So practicing is also important. You practice it by yourself collectively, how much ever days you have before the exam, 5 days, 1 month. So you go through that many files. And all those are real exam questions. So working and practicing on the real exam questions takes you one step closer to the exam because you are working on the same difficulty. Because I get a lot of comments on YouTube that I got 80 score. I used to get 80 score on the uni or alpha, whatever website. And then in the exam, I am only getting 70. So you can't question the difficulty of questions that they are putting on their website. These are third-party websites. Okay. But these are real exam questions, the actual questions that have come for the people in the exam. That is the same level of difficulty you are going to get in the exam. If you can crack this, that means you are good. You don't need to rely on any third-party scores. Also, you can work out your time management. So initially you focus on accuracy and eventually you develop a habit or a practice. Develop it, or you can solve the questions within the specified time. So that is also many people help them to improve the time management. Okay, and last thing which is highlighted in red is something that you need to be very thorough about, very clear about that. Okay, I may or may not get the same questions in the exam, so I'm not relying on the questions, but what is sir asking me to do is focus on the words, focus on the spellings, and also do the real exam questions practice. So that's the best practice you can get, and that's how you improve your scores in the exam. Not just by getting the same questions in the exam. If you get the same question, then you are lucky. Okay, if you're getting the same question, that means you are lucky, but entirely don't depend on the luck. Okay, so use the prediction file to enhance yourself. After all, this is an English exam, right? People tell me they want competent English score, they want proficient English scores or superior. How can you get superior English scores if you don't have decent amount of word knowledge or spellings? After all, it's an English exam. That's what I keep telling you. Now let's look at some rumors and the truth behind how much percentage we get in the exam. That is a very popular question. When someone inquires with me or with my team about the prediction files, sir, how much percentage are we going to get in the exam? We are not gods, dear. We don't decide the fate of people. It's a question bank. Many people get from this question bank, and then many people do not get the questions. So it's all rumors if someone tells you on the YouTube that they have got more than 50% from this particular website. They are just trying to promote their website and trying to fool you. This doesn't happen. Think about it. If there are 2000 or 5000 questions in the PT bank, we are only able to get the repeated questions and publish it. What about the other questions? Some people may also be getting the different questions. So the truth is that you can be getting around 10 to 20% of what the questions we provide, and that is the hard truth. Don't get misled with the information or rumors when someone tells you about this. I got practice from this website. I got more than 50% from in the starting or in the ending. All of the questions were from this website. Too good to be true, right? Anything too good to be true is not actually true. So beware of these, people who are just promoting a propaganda here. Okay, marketing strategies just to sell their items. So I'm telling you clearly, this is what you should expect. 10 to 20%, yes, decent amount of questions get repeated, but in the end, it all depends on your luck. Okay, so use it wisely, and then you will benefit from the prediction file. Okay, and the last part is, how do I get access to the prediction file? That is also a very popular question. Many people keep asking me, how do I get? There are multiple ways you can get access to the prediction file. The first one is if you become our YouTube channel priority member, then you get access to the monthly prediction files. We publish it on the post section or the community section and only visible to the priority members. So you can get it every month if you are enrolled as a priority member on our YouTube channel. There are other benefits also that you get being a priority member. Priority replies, more member-only videos, those sort of things, benefits also you get. But yes, prediction file is one of those. Second way, if you are enrolled with us, you get unlimited access from this year, last year, latest, future, everything you get as long as you are with us. And you get access to all the prediction file depending on how much time you have left. I guide each of the students and how many files you should target to improve certain levels. Not just practice the vocabularies and the spellings as well. Okay, or you can buy it separately from us as well. Just WhatsApp us on the number given on the channel, and then we can help you buy individually if you are just interested in the prediction file to improve your chances in the end. You are towards your end of the exam, improve your chances. So yes, you can use the prediction file at that point as well. So now before I conclude, I just wanted to tell you, like, if you have been watching or if you have not been watching the series on the vocabulary and the spellings, you should watch and you must watch these words, because I share not only the words that are coming in the exam right now, but also how to use it, the collocations, the spellings, everything. So you should watch these videos if you have not done it so far. In the end, like and subscribe and keep watching Edutrainex. A lot of informative videos for you, and in the future as well, I'll come back with more informative videos that I can share with you to uplift your score, to motivate you and get to your desired scores. See you soon.